Hey, what's up guys? Today's problem is odd even linked list on Leetcode. Alright guys, so here's the problem. Given a singly linked list, group all odd nodes together, followed by the even nodes. Please note that here we are talking about node number and not the value in the nodes. Please try to do this in place. Your programs should run an O of 1 space complexity and O of nodes time complexity. So you can see here that the input is this linked list, and then the output is essentially taking the odd positioned nodes, putting them in the beginning of the list here, and then taking the even positioned nodes and putting them at the end of the list. So here I have a diagram to try to explain how we can accomplish this. So we have this linked list here, and HO is the head of the odd linked list, and HE is the head of the even linked list, and that's described by these here. So if we took all the even or odd positioned nodes, so 1, 3, and 5, we would get this linked list here, and then 2 and 4 we would get this here, this linked list. And essentially if we can form these two lists, then we can put them together here, and then create our full answer. And that's essentially what we want to do to solve this problem. And what we'll have is we'll have these head nodes here, and we'll have our current odd and even nodes. And essentially here we'll say that our after we position them at these positions at 1 and 2, then we want to say that odd.next is going to be equal to whatever even.next is, which is 3 in this case, and then move our head or our odd node over to odd.next. Then even.next will be equal to whatever is odd.next, and then we move our even node over. So let's get going to the code. So you can see here we'll have head. We'll first check if head.next and head, if they are null, then just return the head. And here we'll have a list node head odd, just as described in the diagram here. And we'll have list node head even, and it'll be, this will also be the head.next. Then we'll have odd, which will be starting at head, list node even, that will be head.next. And then here we'll say that while even is not equal to null, or even.next is not equal to null, then we want to say odd dot next is going to be equal to whatever even dot next is, and then we move the odd over. Then we'll say the same thing for even dot next is going to be equal to whatever odd dot next is, and then move even over even dot next. And then at the very end, and this is the reason why we have these head nodes here, we'll say that odd.next is going to be equal to the head even. So we attach that, and then we will now return the head odd. And this will also work with if we have odd length or even length linked lists. And as you can see, it'll be here for this will be the ending positions for the for this linked list if it was odd numbered, and then if it was even numbered, it would be like this. So let's go ahead and didn't comment all these out, so that's gonna cause an error. Let's go ahead and submit that. Submitted too fast. And we have, so this should not be or, it should be and. You want to check if both of these conditions are true. And that's it, guys. So yeah, if you want more stuff like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.